Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some exciting items to share with you today. The first one is the most gorgeous slimline wedding ring background die. Now it's really beautiful, and I know it's called wedding ring because that's like the quilt pattern that it's named after, but look at how stunning it is. It's perfect for a celebrate card, perfect for a happy mail card. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh, here's hello. You can use it over and over in different ways. Here's be yourself. Isn't that beautiful? All the different colors. Here's a fun one. Happy anniversary. And look at this one, you guys. Look at how gorgeous this is. You can make it so it cuts out. Look, you can see through it. Isn't that awesome? Absolutely stunning happy anniversary card. Imagine sending someone this. They will fall over. Now, another item that we are releasing is a Pawprint Fold-it. Many of you have asked for a Pawprint Fold-it. Well, guess what, my friends? It's finally here. And look at the awesome samples. This one, Michelle made a little keychain out of felt. Isn't that cute? Here's some more samples we have. Look how cute that is with our little friends for Cookie, our little weenie dog. So cute. Or you are as cute as a corgi. Hello. Isn't that cute? I love it. I know. Now, the dots are optional, so you don't have to do the dots. There's one with the dots, but here's one without. So the dots are optional. So you get to pick and choose which ways you do it, which is easy peasy. Oh, and here's another cute one, brown and pink. I love brown and pink. Now, I'm also very excited to announce we have another Totally Tiffany item to share with you in our exclusive pink and black, but exclusive pink. Are you ready for this? It is the Totally Tiffany 8-drawer storage and supply case. 8. Count them, 8 drawers. Why do we need 8? Well, my friends, are you ready for some gorgeousness? Look at how absolutely gorgeous my mini inks fit in here. Look at that. I did them in rainbow color. I have room to grow, which is good because you know we're always releasing new colors. Open it up. Nice, thick Velcro across the whole lip. And look, oh, I just need pink. I'm just going to pull out the pinks. Oh, I need black. Pull out just that one. So now I'm not pulling out all of them. I can just pull out the ones I need. Oh, I need blue. Grab that, and then they're all color coordinated. I used to have it in my store and go, but they'd all shake, 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 and rattle. And then the one I needed was always on the inside, so I had to pull out the whole tray, and I was worried they were all gonna fall. Now they're all safely tucked away until I need them. And look how gorgeous they are. Isn't that awesome? Now, a nice thing about these storage trays are the plastic is very, very thick and strong. So it'll take you a second to put this baby together, but once you do, you're done. You never have to put it together again. And you will love how sturdy and strong and awesome it is to be so, so organized. Now, on your inks, you probably don't want to store it like this because some of the ink might go to the wrong side of the pad. I'd store it flat, but look at how awesome this can sit on a shelf. You can just grab it and go. I'm so excited about that. And of course, we have it in black and pink. Yay! Club members, of course, you get the club discount on all of these items. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Go check out Join the Club because you know what? You get 15 to 20% off everything we have on our website. And it's really fun. And you get freebies and you get club points. And it's just awesome. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.